guys, this is Donna, and this is a little gift that I had tried to film the other day, and it's from my friend Peggy Edinburgh. Hi, Peggy. And it was before Christmas, and I got it before Christmas, but for whatever reason, my camera stopped working, and I could not get it to record. So let me just share what she sent me. First off, she sent me this beautiful Christmas card. It's really pretty with a very sweet note in it. And then she sent me some of these little rosettes. And then some of these beautiful little flowers from the Dollar Tree that I never could find. And then she sent me 2 little bags of these really pretty Eiffel Tower charms. And these are gorgeous. I've not seen these before. And this little tray here, and it opens it up, and it has these beautiful sticky notes, all Paris theme. Oh, she knows I love Paris, so she gets me. And then these 3 little notebooks. I was going to alter them, but I'll have a hard time doing that because I don't want to edit out the pictures from, the Paris. And then this beautiful Eiffel Tower that she altered for me. Is this not gorgeous? It is so pretty. Peggy, I can't thank you enough. That is so sweet. And she had written me a little note in here, and it says, this is also a little reminder to never give up your dreams. Paris lives there in your heart. Ooh la la. Thank you, Peggy. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but this was beautiful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your thoughtfulness and your thoughts about my love of Paris. And then, on the same day, I received this in the mail, and I don't know who it was from. Now, I have already talked to Peggy, and she knew I tried to film this once before, and but I had to call and ask her something. I got this letter in the mail, and it was from the Blumenthal Performing Arts, and somebody had very graciously sent me 2 tickets to see An American in Paris. And I wanted to see this Broadway play, and it's coming to Charlotte, and I am so excited. I don't know who sent this, but whoever you are, thank you so much. I called to ask if it was Peggy that sent these things because she had sent me all this stuff with Paris theme, and then I got this on the same day. But she said no, it wasn't her. So whoever sent these tickets to me,